analytics itself is an extremely important part of any organization, especially medical organizations that want to use untapped data for improving performance and throughput.
We often talk about big data as trying to find a needle in a haystack because you're combing through so much data. The value component of that is, but are you trying to sew, right? And this is what we push on, is what is that correct problem or pain point for which you're trying to solve? And that's really critical to getting your ROI and really driving to those outcomes you're looking to achieve.
One of the key efforts that we go through is knowing the customer, knowing that customer's needs, what they want, what's driving them to make decisions. Once we have the data in place and we analyze it, help them understand it, we go back again and work with the customer to make sure they understand what that data looks like.
We do have such a wide lens of the healthcare landscape and what's possible with analytics and in the marketplace and what clients are doing to adopt it, that we've naturally kind of started doing that. And it's something that we're being called upon as a trusted advisor in the space to help our clients do.
From an enterprise imaging perspective, looks at workflow. I think that's pretty common. What people aren't doing that's coming forward is being able to tie data such as not only here's the imaging part of the data, here's the workflow, but here's the financial piece, and here's the organizational piece such as man hours, being productive, and the asset utilization. Those pieces are going to come right to the forefront, as well as that repeat reject analysis to reduce radiation to patients as well as improve patient satisfaction.
Once the data is flowing, there's a ton of stuff that you can do with it. The ability to evaluate the same data sources to drive a significant amount of improvement and impact is definitely true. And we're seeing some of these projects very early, obviously, in conversation. We're actually seeing innovation happen in AI that's surpassing Moore's Law, which is incredible.
Using little data for big results is going to be is critical. I think there are too many organizations out there that don't have a plan to use whether it's big or little data for their organization. So I think a year from now we may have more C-level individuals understanding it better, but I think that there are plenty out there that'll still need to have this type of discussion. But I do think that the whole topic of discussion, it will grow. It will grow from using a little bit of data for big results to using a lot of data for even bigger results.